In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by opening an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background like that. You can do that with a second app you want to use, or you can pick it later on. Wherever you decided, hold one of your apps and tap on this icon of two rectangles under a padlock. Then tap on the second app from the background or click on Home button and pick it from your device. Now enjoy using both at once. If you want to resize them, hold this line in the middle and drag it. If you want to close split screen, you can go back into the background and swipe it like you would any other app. Or hold this line and drag it all the way to the side. When you finished, let go. What most people miss though is that you can actually click on those three dots at the top of any app. Use one of those split screen icons to change places of them, like that. Click on this one on the left to select chosen app and use it in full screen view instantly. Or select this icon of floating window and switch from split screen to pop-up. You can go back to split screen by clicking on three dots at the top of your window and clicking on one of those. You can also close one of your apps in split screen view by tapping on this X and selecting another one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!